If anger is getting in the way of your success, your relationships, or your happiness, the AIMS for Anger Management app can help. This free smartphone app is based on a training called Anger and Irritability Management Skills that was developed for veterans who may be experiencing anger related to post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. AIMS for Anger Management can help you learn to be more in control of what you say and do when you are angry. Learning these skills can help you improve your health, your relationships, and your ability to succeed at work. Now let's look at the main features of the app. In the Learn section, you can read a series of short, informative articles that can help you better understand anger, as well as your own anger triggers and warning signs. Learn how anger differs from aggression, how anger habits develop, and how to manage the aggression cycle. In the Tools section of AIMS for Anger Management, you can find a variety of ways to manage your anger. Before you begin an exercise, you'll use the anger meter to record how angry you currently feel. When you find tools that help reduce your anger, mark each as a favorite by tapping the star icon before you tap I'm done. Then, after you've tried a tool, use the meter again. By creating an anger log, you can learn to recognize your personal triggers and warning signs. Use the log to indicate when you had an angry episode. Make note of what happened to trigger your anger and any feelings you experienced as you started getting angry. If you used one of the tools, include that. This will help you identify what you find helpful. A key tool to help you cope better with difficult situations is found in the Anger Control Plan section of the app. Here you can develop a personalized plan based on your unique experiences that includes your goals for learning new ways to cope with anger, what situations trigger your anger and your personal warning signs that you are becoming angry, and the tools you have found to be helpful in coping with anger. The best way to learn to manage your anger is to pay attention to your patterns and habits over time and practice the tools that work. By tapping the alarm clock, you can set reminders for yourself to make a note of anger incidents. Practice your favorite tools and use the anger log. If at any time you feel that you need immediate support, tap Get Support Right Now at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can call 911, text or call the Veteran Crisis Line, or talk to another combat veteran at the Veterans Combat Call Center. You can also personalize this section by adding contact information for people you trust. Download today and get started using AIMS for Anger Management to manage your anger and improve your health, relationships, and sense of well-being.